Hi, it's Betsy. I would love to talk to you today about the language around disabilities. So many people are afraid to talk about disabilities, and I am here to tell you that the majority of people with disabilities want to talk to you about what accommodations they need and what their life is like. So my main focus around disability language is that if you have a question, just ask. You can ask someone like me if that's less intimidating, or you can ask the person with the disability themselves. I love doing consulting with businesses. My tagline is I navigate the intersection between business and disabilities. I have many friends with a variety of different disabilities that I can connect you with if you want to talk to someone with a particular disability. I can also help you arrange some of your copy and speech writing materials that you may be afraid of offending someone or not saying the right thing. Please keep talking about disabilities in the workplace. It's so important to keep the lines of communication open. And for everyone out there who does identify as someone with a disability or as a disabled person, please be open to people asking you questions. And if they say something wrong, please politely and kindly let them know what you would rather them say. Because we need to keep these lines of communication open. The only way we're going to get the acceptance and the understanding of disabilities that we all want and that our culture needs is by being very open and continually communicating. So I would love to help your company navigate the intersection between your business and disabilities. I can help with employee issues. Again, as I said earlier, I can help with copy. I can help with accessibility, both general accessibility as well as my specialty, which is cognitive accessibility. I can look at your product and give you recommendations on what you might want to tweak. And I can connect you with other people in the community with a very wide variety of disabilities if you need information about a very specific disability. So I hope to talk to you soon. You can contact me at betsy@forallabilities.com. That's for like F-O-R, not the number, allabilities.com. My website is www.forallabilities.com, and I would love to talk to you soon about your business and how you are working with people with disabilities, which, by the way, is 100% of us. You can look at my video on cognitive accessibility and hear why I say all of us have a disability at some time in our life, our week, or our day. I will talk to you soon.